Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Marketing Minute Rant today. And the rant is about a tweet I saw from a marketing influencer stating that 90% of a VP of marketing's job is managing the people around them. I strongly disagree. That isn't the role. That's delegation looking down and kissing ass looking up. Your team won't respect you and your boss will loathe you. The marketing leaders that do the best in this role are the Pete Rose types who run it like a baseball team. These people know how each position functions. They know the stats, they know the score, they even bet big on the outcome. As a CMO myself, the best marketing leaders are not solely focused on managing people around them. They build the best teams and they let them do their job. They know who the best people are for the organization because they know the organization better than anyone else on the team, at least from a marketing perspective. They certainly know the business. They know the ins and outs of the CRM and marketing automation systems. They know the market. They know the competition. They know more than anyone else in the business about how the outside world views them. That's the VP of marketing or CMO you want, but probably not the one you have.